Today's consumers expect their goods to be up to code, delivered fast, and exactly what they ordered. Pulling it off requires a centralized hub where technology improves everything from logistics and replenishment to inventory management. So, how can you ensure every area of your operation runs with speed, accuracy, and profitability? By integrating tools that keep customers happy and employees at their peak of productivity. Step 1. Seamless operations, where amplified work-in-process capabilities pair with solutions that simplify sorting, stocking, picking, packing, and shipping. Transform your enterprise with services and solutions that enhance workflows from dock to door, automate reordering and replenishment, optimize device management, verify shipment, and do it all with technology that doesn't just keep you ahead of market trends, but helps you define them. Use high-tech robots to boost line productivity and RFID technology to track and trace assets from facility to delivery. Empower staff to quickly pinpoint lots should recalls arise. And use advanced analytics software to efficiently pack every truck. Leverage data to make better business decisions, even control access, and keep staff safe with customizable, easily integrable solutions. All while slashing downtime and avoiding costly regulatory fines with apps and devices that run on one secure, fully integrated network. That's the power of the Barcode's Edge, an entire network of modernized end-to-end solutions and services built to expedite the entire manufacturing process. Visit barcodesinc.com and see for yourself how partnering with Barcodes Inc. embeds efficiency into your business by future-proofing it with solutions tailor-made for today's needs and tomorrow's success.